Hello, welcome back to math lesson. We are supposed to find the area of this rectangle, and they have given to us the perimeter of it is equal to 92. They have given to us the expressions for the length and the width. We are going to use the perimeter 92 to get the length AB and the width BC. Area of a rectangle is given by length multiplied by width, and they have given to us perimeter is equal to 92 centimeter. The expression for the length AB, which is equal to L, they gave us as 4x plus 7, this is centimeter, and the width BC is equal to 5x minus 6 centimeter. BC is equal to width, this is equal to, that is centimeter. First, let's find the value of x is equal to what by using the perimeter. First, let's find the value of x by using the perimeter. Perimeter is given by length plus width multiplied by 2. I'm going to substitute perimeter, length, and width to my formula. Perimeter equal to 92 centimeter. This is equal to, my length is equal to 4x plus 7 plus my width in terms of expression is 5x minus 6 in the bracket multiplied by 2. Since 92 is even number, I can simplify by 2 both sides. So I'll divide by 2, I'll divide by 2, by 2, 1, by 2, 1, by 2, I got 1, by 2, it is 46. 46 is equal to, I'll open the inner bracket, that is going to be 4x plus 7, 1 multiplied by 5x, I'm going to get 5 plus 5x minus 6 in the bracket. 46 is equal to 4x plus 5x, I'm going to get 9x, positive 7 and minus 6, I'm going to get positive 1 in the bracket. I'm going to open the last bracket, that is 46 is equal to 9x plus 1. I'll take 1 to the left hand side, that is going to be 46 minus 1, this is equal to 9x. 45 is equal to 9x. I'm going to divide by 9 both sides. Divide by 9, I'll divide by 9. By 9, 1. By 9, I get 1. By 9, 1. By 9, I got 5. The value of x is equal to 5. Having the value of x equal to 5, now I can get the length and the width by using the expression that they have given to us. We get the value of x is equal to 5, but the expression for the length is equal to 4x plus 7, and the expression for the width is equal to 5x minus 6. Let us find the length and the width. Our length is going to be equal to 4 multiplied by, I'll substitute x as 5. That is going to be multiplied by 5 plus 7. This will give us length is equal to 20 plus 7. This will give us 27 centimeter. That is the length. Let us find width, which is equal to 5 multiply by x, which is equal to 5, multiply by 5 minus 6. This gives us the value of width is equal to 25 minus 6, which is going to give us 19 centimeter. Now we have length equal to 27 centimeter and width equal to 19 centimeter. We can get the area. Area is given by length multiplied by width. So our area is equal to length, we got 27, multiplied by width, 19. We get area is equal to 513 centimeter square. I hope you understand how to find the area of this rectangle. First, we use perimeter to get the value of x. Then we substitute the value of x to the expression of the length and the width. At last, we find the area of our rectangle. For more video on area, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.